What is up, guys? Welcome back to the video. It's Mike from JDM Icon here, and in today's video we are going to be working on Josh's Evo. If you guys haven't seen the last video already, definitely check it out because we got Josh's Evo tuned with the Cobb access port and it's making almost 30 psi, which is insane. It's super fun, but at the end of the video Josh had a little bit of a mishap here and accidentally hit a curb and just destroyed his side skirt, and it actually just popped off. So if you guys haven't seen that, definitely check it out. In today's video we're going to be working on his new C West side skirts. I'm going to have to do a little bit of body work on them before he can actually throw it on. They fit okay, it's not too bad. It definitely needs a little bit of work. It's nothing that we can't handle. So I think he has his other splitter. There they are. There are stone chips on it around here, so before he comes out and wraps it or I paint it to match his car, I'm gonna have to sand all of this down and make sure that it fits well. And in case you guys are wondering, these are authentic C West side skirts that he picked up. They were super cheap. He got an amazing deal on them. They have been repaired recently or in the past, but for the price it's not too bad at all, and it actually fits decently well. And if we have time to work on my Z, because with all the cars we have right now, I don't have any time to work on my Evo or my Z, but there are some small things I want to do to my Z. So if we have time by the end of this video, we will go ahead and do some stuff to the Z. So the plan is I'm gonna sand down his C West side skirt with 400 grit sandpaper just to smooth it all out, take out all the imperfections, level it all. And there are some tiny cracks since this is a used side skirt. So last time I touched base with you guys, I was just sanding the side skirt, but now I got it all primed up with high build filler primer, and I put some glazing putty to fill out some of the stone chips that the side skirts had, and how it looks so far. I'm just waiting for it to dry, but once this dries up, probably tomorrow, since it's a long weekend, I'm going to go ahead and level all of this out, sand it all down, and try to get it as smooth and as flat as possible. Same with the other side. So that's how it's going right now. Since this is drying, we're gonna meet up with a few of my friends that have some pretty nice cars, and I'm gonna be taking out a car that I haven't driven in a very long time. It's time, boys. We're taking out the Evo. This car never fails to put a smile on my face. I still have to take it home and double check like the air pressure and stuff like that since it's been sitting for a really long time. But oh my god, the sounds this car makes, so good. No VQ or no Z can top this. I freaking love this car. Oh my god, baby, I missed you so much. Alright, so the little car meet we had yesterday was really fun, but I'm gonna give you guys a little update on the side skirts. I've been working on this for a little bit and we almost have everything finalized and all done. I just put some putty again just to take off all the small stone chips. You can kind of see right there. Bodywork is just a lot of patience, so that's why this is taking a while, but we should have this on the car very shortly. For you guys shortly, but for me it's probably going to take another day or so. while the paint on the side skirts are still drying, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the Z, because the Z needs some love. It's my daily. I mean, like, it's not the prettiest thing out there, because when you really get up close, like, it's all dirty. The lip is kind of like scratched off because it's a daily. I drive this winter time, but I got some stuff for it, so I want to go ahead and throw it on. I've had this for a while, but I've just been so busy on so many little projects. But we got a new shift boot, an e-brake shift boot, or I guess an e-brake boot, I guess, and some Akatsuki floor mat. So I've been watching Naruto and I'm a huge fan of it. Such a good show. If you guys haven't watched Naruto, highly recommend you guys check it out. Alright guys, so I have the shift boots on. It looks really good. I did have a hard time with the e-brake boot, I think it's what it's called. But I think the interior of the car looks a lot better, especially with like the red on the shift knob. So this is how the shift boot looks. I think it looks pretty sick. Got the carpets going on and also the e-brake boot. So what I did was I ended up kind of ripping this rubber piece off, and it looks like to properly take it off you have to remove the whole center console because there's some screws, so I just ripped it off. Kind of lame, but I did put the e-brake boot on and it looks pretty sick. I kind of like this. And this is how it looks on the other side. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. A little bit of a drop hanging down there. It looks pretty sick. I really like it. I'm happy with it. And if you guys are wondering where I got this, I got it on Etsy. I think the brand is called Shape Shifters. So go on Etsy, they have a bunch of different designs. Obviously I chose Akatsuki because I'm a Naruto fan. And with the interior as well, I got Naruto's froggy wallet over there. So yeah, so this is how the whole interior looks like. I'm pretty happy with it. And I do really want to get a Sharingan horn button, because my horn button doesn't work and it's Nardi. I mean, like, the Nardi horn buttons are cool and all, but I kind of want one to match the whole interior. And for a daily, I'm pretty happy with this. I think it looks so awesome. Alright, so it's been a few days since we touched base on Josh's side skirts and lip and stuff. Oh, so I didn't tell you guys, but Josh actually broke his lip and he cut it in 3 pieces. We broke it in 3 pieces. And I'll show you guys how it looks right now because we already fixed it. I went ahead and painted and clear coated the side skirts, and I think it came out really good. But because we're painting outside, we had a little bit of a rainstorm and I had to redo this one, but this already has clear coat and it looks really good, especially for like a rattle can job, which is I think it came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this. And this is the lip. Now this is the original lip that I had on my Evo for like years and years. The very first lip I had. So if you want to check out the original lip install, I'll link the video in the corner right here. Ever since I gave this to Josh, Josh has literally took this lip through hell and back. Like, this broke multiple times here. And it rained, so I mean, like, I filled it in with resin just to like even it out. But Josh is gonna buy a new lip soon because I told him this is the last time I'm fixing this. But you can see where it's split here, and it also split over here. So this whole section here was off and the whole other section was completely apart. So what I did was I ended up fiberglassing the back. I ended up fiberglassing the back to patch it up, and it's a lot stronger now, which is a lot better. But again, this is just, in my opinion, this is just like a temporary fix because the lip isn't an authentic Voltex lip. It definitely does need to be replaced, and if I were to try and make this all perfect again, it's just going to be way too much work, and this lip is like a $300 lip anyways. So I told Josh, for now, run this until the end of the season. Next season, go buy a new lip and throw that on once this is done. And yeah, there's a huge crack here too, but I think once it's on the car, you should be good for now. Alright, so now that you have seen the side skirt and the lip, let's go ahead and throw it on Josh's car and see how the car looks with the side skirt and the lip, because in my opinion, I think it's gonna look really good. I haven't seen a C West side skirt with a Voltex lip before. How I envision it, I think the lines of the Voltex lip and the C West side skirts are gonna go super well together. You guys are probably excited too. Let's go ahead and throw these things on and see how the car looks. Abused lip. Throw this on first and then the side skirts. Oh my god, guys, it actually looks really good, and it's kind of subtle, and that's what I really like. I know my Evo isn't subtle, but for what Josh is going for, I think this looks really, really good. Okay, so I don't want to have you guys wait any longer, but here is the side skirt. It looks so clean. Like, it's just subtle enough that you know it's aftermarket because it's a lot bulkier. And it kind of has like a little bit of a flare here. And if you look at the body line, it has this right here. So I don't know, I think it looks really, really nice. And the lines of the side skirt going and matching with the front lip, which looks really, really good. Wow, I really like this. Low-key, I'm kind of jealous, but boom, look at Josh's Evo. It looks way better. Damn. I actually really like that. Wow. And with the rear spats too, like it all flows perfectly. I am really liking this. But I want to know what you guys think. Do you think it's too subtle where you can't really notice it's aftermarket? But do you like that? Or would you go for a more like aggressive with carbon looking side skirt that kind of like the Varis or something like that? But I want to see what you guys think, because I haven't bought side skirts for my car, and I think I have my heart set on a charge speed carbon splitter for my Evo. But I want to know what you guys think. What do you like? Do you like what Josh did, or would you personally go a different route? But that is all the time we have for today, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry if this video was late. It's just that we had really crazy weather and Josh and I are both working now. I have like a lot of things to do on the Skyline. I still have the S13 to do. So many things to do with all these cars, and I didn't want Josh to drive around without any side skirts, because you saw in the last video he absolutely messed it up, and this is why I hate trucks so much. But they don't even sound good too. They just sound loud. It's just terrible. There's a huge difference between having a loud car and having a good sounding car. But anyways, that is a topic for another video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, my dad put the first gen Civic on air. So this is also another video. Like if you want to see it.